this video, let me show you how to easily get access to iCloud status information by using the IMEI number. So all you need to do right now is enter the following website, IMEI.Info. The link will be also under the video in the description. And here you need to input the IMEI number of your device. So let me do it. This is my IMEI number of my iPhone. Let's go through the captcha protection. So let me choose I'm not a robot. Use this check button. Excellent. Here you should find the information about your iPhone, such as the basic information about your device and the, for example, color, memory, production date, iPhone age, factory. Here you can also use some free check services. So in my case, let me use iCloud status check. So let me check out if my device is clean or lost. It's very useful information, especially when you would like to buy the second-hand phone. So now let's use check Apple phone details. Now you have to wait, your order is processing. Excellent. So in my case, my iCloud status is clean. So the iCloud protection is a clean one. You can also read the Find My iPhone information. So the Find My iPhone is turned on. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.